If you can hear me, clap once. If you can hear me, clap twice. If you can hear me, clap 3 times. All right, now you're going to look for another group, another 2 people who you haven't still met. So again, switch.
It's good to learn code, but you can easily teach someone how to code. But it's very hard for you to teach someone how to think. Instead of just getting a problem and you're jumping writing code, it's just step back, understand the problem, and just try to think through the problem before even you apply the machine learning techniques that you've learned. If you merge your data sets wrongly, you end up overfitting in your model. So that's what I learned when I was doing this challenge. So you have to be very, very careful on how are you going to merge your data sets.
And today has been a very impactful session. Going through a problem, the data science problem, and trying to solve a real problem that is data credit score scoring was very practical for me, and I was able to see how all the process of solving a problem from beginning with a business objective to data cleaning to testing and modeling, so has been very, very helpful for me, very practical.
Being the first AI event I've attended this year, my main aim was to interact with people, know how to go about working with data scientists, and to learn more from the people from the AI Kenya community. Today's event was about prediction of loan default applications, and I learned how to create a model on predicting different types of loans.
AI Kenya is doing a good job trying to bring all the machine learning enthusiasts together, and it's something that is recommendable within the community. So it's very interesting to see guys sacrificing their day to come and learn. It has been very interesting and insightful. I look forward at interacting with the guys in future, especially guys in Code Maktaba. So it's a platform where we all need to learn. I'm really looking forward to this. So thank you so much for the organizers. This was very helpful. 1, 2, 3.
Code Maktaba.